Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Yes, at last, it's roof time. So let's have a look how they build this roof and what it look like and how much it costs at the end of the day. Don't go away and enjoy. Okay, another day build. And yesterday I wasn't here, so it looks like the roof people started to assemble. They brought all the stuff, pulled some string line and all the material here delivered. So yeah, surprise. But anyway, that's okay. It's good. I'm happy. Oh, that's pretty long. That's 20 feet long or what? Wow. I like the color of the roof, so I hope you like too. Okay, they said they come here on Monday, so they came, but I haven't seen anybody today, this morning, so I don't know if they come later or they go back finish another job, or maybe they come back in a week time. Who knows? So that's what it's all about. That's the Philippines. So I'm going home because I text them, there's no answer. It's okay, at least it's good. We know that something's happening. Okay, the workers arrived for the roof, but I'm gonna get Gong to come from time to time and supervise it. Just help them if they need water, they need something. That's how it is. They know what they're doing, I hope. And I'm going home, I'll be back later. Okay, another day, so still a lot of work to do, but getting there. Okay, that's how far they went. I think it's gonna be an extra day. I thought 3 days to finish today, but they won't finish today. Now you have to put the whole insulation on the big roof, and there's still a fair bit to do. On the veranda they haven't done anything yet. Let's have a look. Yeah, veranda there, the back, nothing done yet. So it's been pretty slow actually, but I can't get my workers to work underneath there. Once the roof is finished, we will install the floor. Yeah, I'm sure you can see those rivets, but they will be painted as well, so we won't see them after. Yeah, the porch looking good, so the future looking good for the roof. Still a lot of work to do. Anyway, as soon as the roof is finished, we're gonna do the floor. More people came now, so they're gonna start I think with the veranda. There's somebody already up there taking some measurement. So I'm not gonna get my workers to work underneath them, and you see there's stuff everywhere. It's too dangerous. So I know I wanted to do some work on the water tank, but they want to have a rest, and I need a rest too. So we're not gonna work this week. Just have a rest. All I will do when the roof over is just get a cup of pipe, just to send the water down the slope, so it doesn't flood around here. That's all I'm going to do, and that gives us plenty of time to organize this water tank, because I'm not sure yet. I'll see how many outlets they're gonna put. There may be 2 outlets, one on the right and one on the left, because it's a big roof. So if they do that, I'm gonna have to buy a second water tank. So it's no rush for that. Main thing is once the roof is installed, my man can work inside, and that's the main thing, rainy or not. That's gonna be good. That's important. Now look at the view. The main house will have insulation. I think we did well. I think it's an extra 5,000 pesos. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna do a cost list of what's been happening anyway. Yeah, that porch is looking good. See, they gave us the fascia cover, like you see, free of charge, and 74,000 pesos for the whole thing. I think it's a pretty good price. Everything included, labor, materials. It's gonna take 4 days to do this job, so that's pretty good. I'm happy. Yeah, somebody's coming to give me some quotation for a window. Sorry.
About the small window.
Yeah.
How many size?
Small.
Small. Your pecs is steady.
One
Window.
No, better open.
Your awning.
Open because
Your jealousy. Your awning section.
see our window.
300
by 300.
30.
Yeah.
60. 60 or 30?
No. Small.
30.
Okay.
30
Yeah.
square na bread.
Yep.
Square.
Yeah, because I put a little bit high. Yeah. Yeah, 30 by 30. That'll be okay. The rest, it's all here in inches, 48 by 48, 1.2 meter.
Screen.
Okay, we go to his house, so it's just here, just around the corner, so we can see what he's selling me. Let's go there. He's only 300 meters from my house. I never thought somebody make windows here. So let's go and have a look. Okay, we got a lot of sample here, so it's good. Actually, I don't mind this size window. That's a bigger one. That's better maybe for the bedroom. Anyway. Yeah, this glass, it's a little bit dark and
Package your screen.
All package, Joe.
All package screen.
All package.
you give me per window,
Screen.
and then after how many? Just work out one window, because I want to see different size. I want to see the 1 meter as well. Maybe 1 meter enough.
For 1 meter like 40?
1 meter, yeah, at the back, maybe. Okay, I got some price, 5,920 for 1.2 by 1.2 meter, and 5,620 for 1 by 1. This with this glass. Does the glass make a difference? Price?
Yes.
Okay. You have another glass cheaper, but still good quality? Only this one?
Artificial color.
This is the better one, huh?
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Alright. I'm not sure I'll go with him because I could see his job is done on his house. Things are not cut square. I worry already. One door is dropping on one side. I don't want that. Yeah, while I'm here, I saw this. That's excellent. I like to grow them. Love it. It's very healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, pineapple. Okay, let's go back. Hello. Oh, you're gorgeous. Okay, we're going to the line to see how the roof's going, and then we go shopping. Let's go, baby. Oh, you look so cute.
Stand up. Stand up, darling. Yes.
Oh, Isabella.
Here.
Very hot.
We're going to the land. It's too hot. Yes, Bella is with us. Yes. Bella, Isabella, yeah.
Maybe if you close the window, maybe you can film when we're going slow. It's probably better than shaky.
See? The weather is so good. It's too hot. The weather is so good. It's too hot.
Sure.
I said the weather is so good. It's very hot today.
Okay guys, nearly finito. You have to put the fascia cover all around. So they are done the front, the side up there. You can see the porch, it's finished. How about the veranda? Let's have a look closer. This is weekend, so that's what we're gonna see on this video. Oh yeah. Okay, veranda is practically finished, yeah. Yeah, they just put in the the fascia cover around, that's it. So otherwise it's finished.
This is big.
So this is with the insulation on the house side of it.
You should wake up.
And what do you think, baby? This is your house after, baby.
This
Eh?
big.
It looks big, but yeah, once we put the walls and everything, it's not gonna be that big, but yeah, so Monday should be able to start installing the floor.
Only here.
Yeah, this is looking good. So what do you think? I know you're happy, huh? Something's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we really want to move out from the apartment. We got the aircon off, you know, and they just want to charge you everything, and I'm sick of it.
porch is big.
Rent is good, give you freedom, but you know, if you're gonna stay here forever, it's not a good thing. Little girl, what do you think, baby? You happy? You don't care? She's looking around.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's good.
Where are you? Huh?
That's your house, baby. Yeah, I did well to put insulation on the house side. I wouldn't mind too much for a veranda. Roof is pretty high, so the heat's not gonna stay there for sure. Not like in the farmhouse mountain. I think it started raining. Okay guys, we're going because it started raining. It's gonna rain.
The bag.
I think Jem is happy. It's a big milestone to have the roof. So yeah. Gigi, stay here. We do a photo. Okay, that should be finished by Monday. We are Saturday now, so I'm sure Monday will be finished. And we can start the floor. Okay. Let's go. It's raining. 90 seconds each side. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.